Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the Ford Ranger Raptor edition. Now this one here does come to you with pretty much everything you could ask for in an all-terrain vehicle. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and low range. There are also many different driving modes. So this has modes for the grass, the snow, the desert, mud ruts, ice, and also a sport mode, which I'm sure you'll love using. Does come with lovely part leather upholstered seats just here with the Raptor branding and embroidered stitching inside. Hands-free cooling, voice assist and cruise control on the steering wheel. On the screen here we do have satellite navigation, Bluetooth, dual climate control, so you can have it nice and hot and your passenger can have it nice and cold or vice versa. As well as there also being Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a reversing camera on there as well. Now just to show you the rear 3 seats, as this is a crew cab pickup, once again the rear passenger comfort is very important. Do have that lovely upholstered seating again with the stitching. Pop this down just in the middle here. Armrest and 2 cup holders for the convenience of the rear passengers, as well as a 150 watt mains power outlet just here and a casual 12 volt as well. The 2 front seats are also electric and heated. And just to show you around at the back, we have the Raptor badge on there as well, and a lovely large bed for a crew cab. Now if you would like to find out more about this Ford Raptor, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. Both are linked in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube, or you can head over to our site in Padworth just outside of Reading to discover more about this and many more of our vehicles.